it's Johan from Noodle, and today I want to make another small customization to the ToDo app. So let's head into the ToDo app here. And my new thing is that currently this color is dependent on the number of tasks that you have, so it changes depending on that. But I actually want to change it so that the background color depends on what day it is. So I'm gonna go back into my header component, which I now actually know it's right here. So here we are. And so right now we have this color blend that has a bunch of colors, and I'm gonna continue using this, but I'm not gonna use the count as the blend value input. Instead, I am gonna use the day name here to decide what color we should use from in here. And in order to do that, I'm first going to use a node that is called a string mapper. And I know that from here I get the names of the day or the name today. So today it's Thursday and tomorrow it's Friday, and then this is going to say Friday. So what I want to do is I want to map the today string to 0. And I'm going to show you soon why I'm mapping it to this number here. I'm going to use that number as the input to the color blend. So let's continue. So then we have Monday. We're going to map that to 1. We're going to have Tuesday, map to 2. And so I'm going to speed this thing up here. Okay, so now I've filled in all of these, and so now I need to connect the output from this node, the day name here. I'm going to connect that to the input string on the string mapper. And so what will happen is it will look at this input string, try and match it to one of these that we have defined, and then it will map that to this output. And so we're going to use that to actually drive the color blend here. So I'm going to disconnect the count result here, and then I'm going to connect this, the string mapper, the mapped string, to the blend value. And so now you can see, so we have Friday here. Friday maps to number 5, and that's what we're getting out of this. So we're getting the 5th color, which is this one. Now, if I choose Saturday, we should get the Saturday color, which is number 6. Same for Sunday. And then Monday should be number 1, the red color there. And then if we go back all the way to Thursday, which is today, we get this color. So that's a small customization that I wanted to make this time. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, and happy noodling.